Once, brother, once. Do not scroll, sister. Do not scroll. Once. Give a minute. You must know this. You must be know this. Linear equation, how to solve the value of x. For this reason, I show you in a minute. Let's go. Let's do this together. First, we before doing the value of x is first we distribute for this in this bracket for x 12. 4 times 3 is 12. There in front minus 12 plus 2 is equals to 1 8. We distribute distribution. This is a distribution method. We got this one by distribution method. After that, minus 12 plus 2 mean minus 10. When we minus 12 plus 2 mean 10. Then we got after is equals to 118. We collect the variable to the variable, the number to the number. For x is equals to 18. When we transfer this to the other side, plus 10. Because minus is when transferred to the other side, it become positive. After that, the 10, and we collect the number to the number. For this reason, for x is equals to 28. After that, over divide both sides by 4. X is left alone. After that, 28 divided by 4 is we go 7. The answer is, let me prove. Let me prove our answer for x minus 3 plus 2 is equals to 18. When we prove, we got the value of x. For this reason, put 7 in the place of x plus 2 is equals to 118. After that, we do previously a number that is present in the bracket. 7 minus 3 is 5. No, 4 is equals plus 2 is equals to 18. After that, 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2 is equals to 18. After that, 16 plus 2 is 18 is equals to 18. The answer is correct. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe, share, like.